Good morning. My name is Joan Vera. Activity the impact of technology evolution in my profession field. Um, hello everyone. My name is Joan Vera. I am studying lab and logistics. I am currently work in customer service and data analysis. Um, Instead presentation in going to tal about uh, to, to tal about how technology has evolved and how it continues transforming my professional and academic field. Um, Evolution of technology in my field. Technology evolution in my daily work. Technology has changed the way we work. For example, in the past, customer service was mostly face to face or be phones. Not thanks to more tools. Um, CRM platforms and artificial intelligence with an analyze data, predict customer needs, and offer faster solution. B 2030 it will have should have more automated system to and logistic and communication with clients. Future tense B 2030 it will have improved network, efficient work, intelligent system, and digital platforms. Evolutionary versus revolutionary products. In my professional area, I with can identify evolutionary and revolutionary products. Evolutionary owners are improvements of existing tools, beliefs, more logistic software of better CRM system. Revolutionary tools are innovants tan complete and or wide or Wilkins or artificial intelligence intelligence or real time clone data analysis. Tens technologies allow combine to make fast and smart decisions. Cultural and organizational changes. Cultural changes in the workplace. Technology has also produced culture changes. Today, the works in more digital and global communication happens. Only hands flexibility is essential. And employed y a high learns to adapt to net tool remote collaboration and continuous training. Future presents progressive. BT, BT que pues Teams are implement. He will be learning and adapting to need to first managers. Impact on my academic formation, technology and my academic growth. In Milan and logistic program technology and helps me access virtual libraries only simulantes and legal database and holds methods grid and communication more effectively. By the end of my studies, he will I have to technology as a key resource for my professional and academic de, development. Conclusion, conclusion, conclusion. To conclude, technology is a evolutionary process. Tan after every aspect of our work and education. The cases to and we learn because in Neptune neighbor stops. Ian confident can be Disney Academy y with at achieve great profession with thanks to my ability to taste contact on changes. Thank you every mucho every move both warning.